Hello and welcome to CryptoWeeklies. My name is Josh, and today we are going to talk about Near protocol and its token Near. I conduct AI-based forecast as well as dollar cost average related strategy for Near. So let's get started. Today, the price of Near is at around $4.61. It's the number 19th crypto by market cap. The market cap is above 5 billion. The total supply at around 1.2 billion, out of which 1.1 billion is in circulation. This particular crypto does not have a max supply, but in terms of its fully diluted market cap, it's less than 10% away from the current market cap. And in terms of looking at whether this particular crypto falls under scrutiny for a lot of token dilution, you can see in terms of the price growth from October 2023 till about today is between $1 and $4.50, so about 4.5x in terms of price growth. Let's see if it gets reflected in market cap growth. You can see the market cap over here was at around 1 billion. Right now it's at around 4.9 billion, so about 4.5x growth in both price and market cap. So in terms of price versus market cap analysis, the growth in market cap gets reflected in price. That means this particular crypto does not have predatory tokenomics, where the gains in the market cap are diluted away from the token investors. Again, none of this content is financial advice. This is an observation of Near over the last 1 year. So this is the first analysis that we like to run before checking the AI-based forecast. We have conducted two AI-based forecasts, one back in March when the price of Near was at around $4.80, and trained the machine learning algorithm to look at price action till August of 2024. We have updated this model today, but I will start with this one. This is the old model. The base case scenario for our previous model for July, second week of July, that is, was at around $6 price action at around $6.15 between $5.10 and $6.15. The current price is slightly below this, so that means the price action falls into the bear case which we had forecasted back in March of 2024. The theoretical bottom for Near for July was between $2 and $4.50. So again, we're really close to the current price action. So in terms of what we have today is the newly released model, which was trained till price action for the week ending in July 14, which is this week. And per this model, the base case scenario going forward for Near is $4.64 to about $5.83 till December of 2024. This is the base case, devoid of any bias to the bullish or bearish side. If the markets were to go back up, again, the purpose of this model is not to tell what has to happen for the next 6 months, but to more or prepare for the one standard deviation ceiling and one standard deviation floor, which is again the bull case and the bear case as well as the base case. So and this uses historical price actions at a weekly level since the token was launched, and machine learning techniques such as LSTM, XGBoost and ARIMA. In terms of the bull case scenario going forward is between $5.38 and about $18.50 between now and December of 2024. If you are interested in tabular format, we do have week by week tabular values as well. And equal and opposite is the bear case for Near between $1.70 and $4. That's the bear case. In terms of, this is the tabular view. We plan to integrate this on the graph itself. So if you are interested in this AI based journey that we are on, please subscribe to the channel, also give this video a like. Now we will look at the regression analysis, where does the current price action fall within the standard deviation as well as the fair value. The fair value band is the pink band in the middle. This is wrapped around the weekly price action, and on three sides, on each side of this fair value band, there are three lines which constitute of one standard deviation, the yellow line, the two standard deviation is the orange line, and the three standard deviation is the red line. These are to the upside. Equal and opposite is 1 standard deviation bottom, 2 standard deviation bottom, the dark green, and 3 standard deviation bottom is in the blue color. So right now the price action is between 2 standard deviation and 3 standard deviation. You can see this particular regression analysis is not a linear regression where the price has to go, or the regression bands have to go up with time, but we believe that at least for the altcoins the price doesn't have a linear relationship with time. During the bull phases the prices go up, and the bear phases prices go down. So we have seen this bullish surge in the crypto market starting late September, early October of 2023, and per this bullish upswing, if this upswing were to continue like it did in most of the part of 2021, as well as early to late ending 2021, we had this bearish slump in the regression analysis. We haven't seen this one yet. So per this analysis, the price action key levels to watch are this $3.59 to the downside, and to the upside this $5.50 and then $8.41. So these are the regression cases. The fair value for near per our analysis at around $11.61. So the price has the tendency to move back and mean revert in such a way that it hugs the fair value time and again. If not, the fair value comes down during the bearish phases. But if the bull market were to maintain its integrity, that is the price action staying above $1, then or per this analysis right now above $3.59, that would still provide some support to the bull case like it did in 2021's July. When the price action visited its 3 standard deviation bottom back then at around $1.85, but again this level held support, and then we went back to the 2 standard deviation bull case slightly above that, and then the crypto market had a pullback. So again we are waiting for none of this is financial advice, but if this 3 standard deviation support were to hold and then the mean reversion were to come in play, these regression bands are updated on every single day. So if you are interested, you can look at the website yourself. The link is on the bottom of your screen. You don't have to sign up or pay for anything. This is available for all. In terms of analyzing the current risk level for near with respect to its 20-week moving average, this is the difference of this is the price of near color coded based on the difference between the current price of near and the 20-week moving average. The color codes essentially go from purple, which is the lowest risk, to green, and then back to red, which is the highest risk. In terms of SMA risk, right now the risk is at around 0.3. That means it's in the third best time to dollar cost average. Back in October, you can see that this doesn't do a great job every single time. Back in October, when the near was at its local minimum, the risk level was at 0.4. That's the reason because is that for this is that because the difference between the price and the 20-week moving average tends to be the highest when we are in the middle of a bear market, not towards the end of the bear market where the price stabilizes around the 20-week. That is the reason why we launched the reason this model exists is still have to build a confluence between this model and the dollar cost averaging model, which depends not only on the non-linear relationship of price and time, as well as there is a time adjusted time multiplier to adjust the risk levels as the asset matures, as well as uses regression bands difference between the price and the regression fair value to calculate the risk level. So again, similar approach, but per this analysis the price risk level is at around 0.03. The reason being that the regression price is in an upswing, whereas the regression line is in an upswing, whereas the price is in a downswing. Per this analysis, the 1 standard deviation bottom for near is at around $8, quite similar to the regression bands, and the fair value again at around $14, and the 1 standard deviation peak at around $25. So these are the key levels to watch for near going forward. So hope you like this content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.